Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you a new piece of code for the sound J. Join in. J. J. J, J, J. J, J, J. And on my picture today, to help us remember this new piece of code, I've got something that I bet when we're on our daily hour exercise we can either see or we either go across. There's my clue. Because we need these to get across rivers, to get across a train track, to get across a road, to get across a motorway. And today, our piece of code for the sound J, we need a bridge to help us. And here's our bridge. Because look at the letters today that make our sound J. J as in bridge. J as in bridge. J as in bridge. Now I bet you're thinking, but I already know a piece of code for the sound J. And you're right, you've already learnt this piece of code, haven't you? J as in jug. One single letter sound, J as in jug. But today we have got 3 letters making that one sound J. 3 letters making that letter group D, G and E, or a D, a G and an E. 3 letters coming together to make that sound J. J as in bridge. And there we've got that bridge going over our little stream. This piece of code is in other words like these. I've got some words here. See if you can listen really carefully to help blend that word together to help us with our code today. Remember, the sound is J. Who can say it first? Edge. 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 Hedge, well done. Edge, hedge, hedge. And a hedge is something that you might have in your garden, in front of a fence or between 2 gardens. We often call it a garden hedge. My husband likes ours to be nice and straight. The next word, are you ready? Good listening ears. The next word is badge. 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 Yes, a badge. Badge. A badge that you might get on your birthday, or a badge that your head teacher might present you in assembly at school. A badge. 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 Good job. And the last word today, listen carefully, who's going to get there first, is fridge. 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 Well done. Do you know, my daughter's downstairs doing some schoolwork and she is always going in our fridge. She is always hungry. J. J as in bridge. J as in hedge. J as in badge. And J as in fridge. 2 parts of our code. J as in jug, but today you're learning J as in bridge. Let's have a look what Floppy's been up to today in our picture.